We're back with more Island Life Live, and a new cinematic wave is rising on Maui, the inaugural Wailuku Film Festival.
WFF will debut June 18th, 18th to the 21st, 2026 in historic Wailuku. We love that town.
Yes.
And it's bringing filmmakers and audiences together for a 4-day celebration of creativity, culture, and community.
And here to tell us a little bit more about it is the Wailuku Film Festival director and also the Maui Film Commissioner. Yes, Brian Cohn. Brian, thank you so much for hanging out with us, brother.
Oh, thank you so
Making
much for
the flight over.
Easy. Oh, I swam.
Oh, you swam over.
Yeah.
That's why you couldn't come over with the Four Sisters.
That's right. That's why I didn't bring you the
your hands
butter
was
rolls.
full.
Yeah,
We were
I
expecting the
couldn't.
butter rolls, but that's okay. Next time.
They made it about halfway across, but kind of got soggy, and then I ate them all.
Got you. Use them as flotation devices.
Yeah, and you can. I become a flotation device if I eat too many of those ones. Yeah.
All right, but I think we're talking about film, yeah?
Yes,
okay, great.
not about food. Or film.
Okay.
All right, but congratulations on launching this incredible festival, brother. Because
Thank you.
we're keeping our eye on the film industry here in Hawaii, and we know that we kind of need a little bit of a resuscitation.
We do,
Right?
And we need a resuscitation based in our voices and us driving a bus. And so Wailuku Film Festival is all about that. It's about connecting education through to industry. I'm also a professor for UH Maui College Academy for Creative Media.
That's awesome.
In addition to being a film commissioner. And I've been in the space in music with Barefoot Natives, Willie K, and I'm a filmmaker myself. So this is very deeply personal to me. As a Maui boy, as a Hawaii somebody who cares. I moved home from the mainland 20 years ago, wanting to participate for real kind in industry, that's surrounded about our stories. Regional storytelling is so very important.
Absolutely.
And while we all understand that the bigger gigs and the Hollywood stuff and the TV shows are vital to employment and the visitor drives the visitor industry, I would argue that our stories are equally important, if not more important. And if we can provide these opportunities to the next generation to move into this space, then we can have it all. And we can have another great long stretch of prosperity with more of us in lead roles, more writers,
Absolutely.
more producers, more directors.
Absolutely.
So Wailuku Film Festival is all about that. Categories are Hawaii, Indigenous, water sports, and student, high school, college. And so for 4 days in a walkable town, and Wailuku, a lot of people don't know, is a federally designated arts and entertainment hub of Maui.
Is that why you guys chose that as the location?
One of the reasons, Wailuku's always been the gathering place on Maui, so we're going to reactivate that. But yeah, we've got a brand new theater, the Naylor Theater, Maui Academy of Performing Arts, literally opened last week.
Awesome.
We have the historic Iao Theater celebrating its 100th anniversary, just like the Palace Theater on Big Island. And then we're going to have another space, a cultural space in service of Hula World coming on right in the same proximity. So 2-3 years, we're going to have 3 viable screening locations, big parking lot, businesses. And so we want to gather the makers of Hawaii, all makers, and we want to reach out and find our brothers and sisters who are in college on a mainland or anywhere. So many people from Hawaii working in these industries, spread out all over the world. We want to give them a place to come home, to reconnect. We want to see what they're doing, but we want to connect them to the people here who are doing things, because bringing our people home is really important, but also providing the opportunities for the people here out there is another thing. So Wailuku Film Festival is all about that. Education, industry, us, our stories. And having a good time.
Absolutely.
This is so cool. I love the vision. You guys have a big vision.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but we want to be there. So go ahead and tell us, how we can grab tickets and get into this 4 days of just film love.
The event itself is in June. So it's right after the end of the school year, which serves the student filmmakers, June 18th to the 21st. Submissions are open now, and that's really the big news we want to share. If you're a filmmaker, your cousin, your brother, your neighbor, somebody you bowl with is a filmmaker, let them know. Submissions are open. Early bird deadline goes through January. It's discounted rate. Submissions will be open until April 1st. So that's really the cycle we're in right now, is collecting the films.
Collecting the stories.
And Hawaii International Film Festival. There's so many great Hawaii movies this year, just like last year. Ohina Short Film Lab, so wonderful. We want to see some of those filmmakers make their way over to Maui. And if I have to incentivize you for come over, just know that Four Sisters, Butter Rolls, one block from the historic EL Theater.
We in, ba. That you had me at that.
Dun, dun,
That's butter rolls. Brian, thank you so much. We love your passion, and thank you for helping to reinvigorate our local film industry and showing the world that we can over here in Hawaii.
You know, we all have a role to play, and I'm just trying to play mine to the best of my ability.
You're doing an amazing job. Thank you so much, brother.
Aloha.
Inaugural Wailuku Film Festival.
All right, time for another quick break.